Hi, I'm recording this video because I had a lot of missing parents from Meet the Teacher, but that's okay. But I was recording it in Teams and I forgot until halfway to record it, and I had a bunch of people coming and going because they couldn't hear. So I'm just recording it again. That's okay. So welcome. This is me. I'm Mr. Cortez, and I will be teaching reading, writing, and social studies. That's me. That's my dad. Cut off half of his face. That's okay. Some things I like doing. My favorite foods, all kinds of sweets. I like video games, energy drinks, and gummy worms. I like to party. I also like exercising, and I like eating interesting foods. I had students bring me food last year, homemade from their country. It was awesome. Shame we can't do it this year. That's okay. This is going to be the other teacher in our group. This is Miss Garrett. She will be teaching math and science. She loves traveling and rewatching old movies, and she's looking forward to meeting us. She met me, but she's going to meet you. She likes spicy foods, tea, the beach, and Netflix. So I'm going to post this video on Class Dojo with the actual PowerPoint. Whenever you have the PowerPoint, this little part here, it's clickable. So if you have any issues logging on or you need instructions on how to do this, you just click on this and it'll zip you to a page where you can go and watch videos on how to do all kinds of things. Every day, Monday through Friday, me and Miss Garrett have office hours from 2:15 to 2:55. That's for parents. Parents, if you want to email us or if you want to call us or if you want to get a hold of us somehow, this is the time to do it. This is whenever we don't have any students, so you will be able to talk to us and get our help. This is the 4th grade schedule. The way it works is every morning the students meet with their homeroom teacher. So if you are my homeroom class, Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 7:50, they're going to log in, meet with me, so I can kind of check in with them, see how they're doing. We'll do something interesting in the mornings. Figure it out as we go. These two chunk of times, 7:50 to 9 o'clock and 1:45 to 3. These two white blocks here. This is time for the students to do work that is not live. That means they're going to log on to the hub, which there's a video for in the last slide. They're going to log into the hub and they're going to do the assignments that we assign to them. They'll get more information on the hub whenever the school year starts. From 9 o'clock to basically 12:15, this chunk of time right here, students will be in a live lesson with the teacher. This will change depending on what day it is. Monday and Wednesday, they're going to meet with me. Tuesday, Thursday, they meet with Miss Garrett. After 12:15, they have lunch, so they're going to go to the cafeteria, aka the kitchen, and do whatever they're going to do. They come back at 12:45 where they're going to log back onto Teams, and they're going to go to core enrichment, which is going to be whoever they have that week, they're going to meet with them. And then they finish off their day working independently or meeting with the teachers. So it sounds confusing. We're going to spend a lot of time with this, getting to know the schedule. The only thing that you need to know is whenever you log onto Teams, anytime a teacher starts a meeting and they want your student to join, there's going to be a little purple camera. A little purple camera right next to the class. Click on the purple camera, press join, make sure the microphone's muted, make sure the camera's on, and you'll be good to go. If you're not sure, just see if you have a camera. If not, look at the schedule and see if you should even be in class. If you don't have Class Dojo yet, invite the Class Dojo, join the class. I'm going to post this video on Class Dojo, so you should already have it. Before your virtual meetings at 7:30 in the morning, before you log in. Make sure you're awake on time. Try to eat before the lesson. Dress in comfy clothes. Shoes are optional. I'm not wearing shoes. Just one of the perks. Drink water, stay hydrated, tell yourself you're great. Turn on your computer, log into Teams. Don't log into Teams from your bunk bed with your blinds closed, where it's all dark. I mean, open a window, turn on a light so that we can see your face, or turn off your camera. In order to make sure that everyone has a good time whenever we're trying to have our live lesson, make sure you're on time, because every time someone comes in or leaves late, it makes a ding-dong noise and that's very distracting. So show up on time, stay. Get supplies ready. Any kind of supplies. Papers, pencils, notebook, spiral, anything. Just make sure you have something to write on just in case we have an activity that involves writing. Turn your camera on unless you're a mess, then just keep it off. That's okay. I'll understand. Miss Garrett will understand. If you want to show us your bright and shining faces, turn on the camera. If you have a question, press the raise hand button and it'll put a little hand up, or you can type it in the chat and we'll get to it whenever we can. Make sure you mute your mic, because a lot of these houses, it may not sound like it, but there's a lot of background noise and it's very distracting whenever 15 to 20 of y'all have your microphones on at one time. Make sure you're listening. Don't just show up just to fall asleep. Listen. I'm awesome. Watch me. Try your best. Have fun. All that good stuff. Whenever you get this PowerPoint, these are also clickable. This is the school supply list. Boom. Very short. If you're in pre-K, kinder, or first, you're going to get to buy some Play-Doh. If you're in second, third, or fourth, or fifth, you don't need to buy Play-Doh. But you can. Play-Doh's fun. Anyways. At-home learning tips. These are more things for you to... These are more things that you can look at to help you. It's only one page. And this is information on how to log in. This is the Emerson website. Has all the good information. Virtual learning, video guides, at-home learning tips, school supply list, everything's there. Can I do this? Yeah, cool beans. There we go. Attendance policy. How do you know you're going to be counted present? Basically, we take attendance twice a day from at 10 o'clock and 2:30 o'clock. If you do any kind of work at that time, then I'm going to count you absent. That includes Imagine Learning, doing assignments online, logging into a live meeting, logging into a small group session, turning in assignments, something of that nature. If you do anything in that time, I'm going to count you present. If you've done nothing and 2:30 has already passed, you're going to get a phone call at 6:30 from the district. That means the big scary school is going to call you, and they're going to say, hey, you're going to be absent and you need to be present. So if you do any kind of work after 6 o'clock, then I will count you present the next day. That means it can be 11:59 at night and you turn in an assignment, boom, present next day. So just make sure that you do any kind of work in that 24-hour period. It's going to be great. Grading policy, you can read this on your own. Basically, this year is not like last year. If you do not turn in assignments, if you do not participate, it will result in failing grades. So please make sure that you're logging in and doing things. That includes being in the virtual lessons, turning in assignments, doing Imagine Learning. Those are the big three. If you do those, you're going to be great. If you start not doing things, maybe you're not showing the meetings, it's going to hurt your grade. That was the end of the slideshow. Awesome. Got it under 15 minutes. So again, make sure that you know how to log into Teams if you didn't get a chance to today for Meet the Teacher. Make sure you know your student ID and your password. If you don't, message me. I have all that information. If you have any questions, you can message me on Class Dojo, or you can send me a message on Teams, or you can send me an email. You can do anything. Some of your parents have my phone number. They can call me. It's great. I have nothing but time. I can't wait to see y'all. Don't forget, Monday is a holiday. Don't wake up early for that. Sleep in. It's Labor Day. Tuesday is when school starts, bright and early, 7:30. Can't wait to see y'all. It's gonna be great.